Hello, precious family. Welcome back to Glorious Ahobrasia Kitchen. I share Mammy Mobi Biara Aquaba. And then the first time I'll share me a memo aquaba view about Glorious Ahobrasia Kitchen. You and nay a baby breakfast, oatmeal, and a baby yusu. You, tea baby na being. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and comment. Love you all from Ahobrasia Kitchen. You. See, any of my baby yusuni, me ha lemon, me 1 cup water, and I me cinnamon, honey, and stevia, a sweetener, plant-based, okay. Now me oatmeal, old-fashioned, and I me hanum yogurt, and I me milk. Yen fiase. Into your bear oatmeal a being. Then you know a healthy breakfast. Oatmeal is very good for breakfast. Even dinner. You sometimes where the fufu be and a benku be a riano, ma 1 man yankasa. What to me who say 1 man yantis did bill. And so no not one of referral. Intiano san, what me a oatmeal, dear. Unya SS fat and say SS weight be anka hoye. So na just all the aquada bako. Tin yogurt na wahanum. What me use plain yogurt. But then me use Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt and aya emuya de kakra. Plain yogurt and the aya na and shut down in your wake kakra. And oatmeal and casanson what me din is without sugar and I say sweetener tin echo in always okay into your befias into yogurt na me wa han 5.3 ounce. That's 150 grams yogurt into make it my 2 of it. This is how it is 2 until what to me use 1 cup yogurt, 1.5 yogurt, a cup of yogurt. Tin send your penny beer. Okay, tin. Let me 1, 2, 3, 4, and I'm a dear good 4 tablespoons, and I'm a dear good hand. Be grated nutmeg kakra, the nutmeg kakra. That's one be grated lemon no zest no. Okay, into the lemon zest and egum. Yellow side nepe poucho in far whitening count na nyanywe. Tinawa kani na afra. You ain't it say na ye tinafi wakata so de si wakakra. The next one, if you mean soon, and cup and regular, and a half cup milk. To make the milk and so I can soon. To make crack or share microwave. Now my warm hot water. Yen soon the milk and adult. Which to me they share microwave, which to me air heating soon wall stove and so. See me the 3 back welcome. To say, and I now where was you? Akataso, come up. No way, just you. Now you need you, ma. One thing about Maggie, so they say, so also cook no, to make or oven, to make a microwave, what to me so they shall fridge, what to me they shall freeze them. I think so a dishwasher safe. Intin good. Me to my ewo at home and so PPR. And I think that Stop and Shop and so will be. Yeah, me to be so Stop and Shop. Okay, the okay, it's been about 10 minutes now. Now the whole fruits be out, nuts be out, cranberry, dry cranberry. You made the media, I am the Nama baby. Offend the moringa powder, the nina bigum. Intin enwani. Yewi aha. Ayakama. Tina yadi hani kakra so. Decorating because he did it out. You don't need too much. Into your shirt, you so. Nyayeni. So, into no peneteka, Nina, oh, peneteka, bit me a jawesio. And I saw better old milk and water, and also. And I saw you should, baby, the second nation milk, and now we are, you don't need to, warm the milk like the way I made it on. And I say, oh, warming soon. Now we are ready to be there with your milk. It's your hand made a cinnamon cacra. A pepper so cinnamon cacra. Hey, hey, hey. Hey. Never did. Hey. Sweet nana cacra cow. Because in cacra be a firm. Stevia no. Na fede me de me grapes. Eguso. How mama chena. Yeah. Well, with the breakfast say ya. Say na fele. Uhun to when ya chi. Ya na di na kasa ewo vim. Or swag. See ye dian she ne fe. She. Anopa bi when your breakfast we na with ya. Ohun nyina ohun nam beba ohun so. Okra ni beji. Oatmeal udi na when ya hoden they started. Wo edwuma anopa. You ema usa energy no. You ema kick no to start your day fresh, happy. Oh. What do you say? Let me add to the young guy.